guys. Well, it's actually afternoon, so oh man, I gotta drive. So it's about 1:00 p.m. This is gonna be like my little weekend vlog, quarantine edition, since you know we can't really go anywhere. But I am actually about to go somewhere. I'm going to my doctor's appointment. I have an ultrasound, and this is super exciting for me. It's not even the ultrasound that's exciting for me. It's just the fact that I can get out of the house. I'm so sick and tired of being in the house. I'm working from home right now. My daughter Ava's home with me. She's super busy right now. So it's kind of nice to kind of just get out the house by myself. And yeah, can you tell that I'm excited? I have on like earrings and everything for ultrasound appointment. Oh, gotta drive. So I just got to another red light. I am not in my car. I'm actually in Ricky's car right now. So I didn't have my my phone clip, so I have to do it the old-fashioned way and hold it. But you know, whatever. But yeah, it's just gonna be like a little quarantine edition, weekend vlog. Not much going on. I didn't put on any makeup. I don't have brows on, nothing like that. It's nice, bright, and sunny today, so I got my sunglasses on. These sunglasses aren't anything fancy either. I think these were like $10 maybe from some little store I found at this outlet mall we have down here. Yeah, so let's go check out this ultrasound, check on this baby, see what's going on up in my tummy, and I'll check back in with you guys. Okay guys, so I just got to my doctor's office. I'm gonna go in here, check out this baby, and then I will be back. Hopefully I have some nice pictures to share with you guys today. So I just got out of my ultrasound appointment. Everything went well. She has her 10 fingers, 10 toes. All her organs are looking good and in the right place. I was able to get some pictures of her. They actually didn't come out that great because she was all balled up. She didn't want to move. She didn't want to stretch out. She was in an awkward position, and I could feel it too. She was kicking me. Well, she was kicking the ultrasound technician for pushing on her. But I got some pictures. I was able to see like her face, her eyes. She was looking at us at one point. She balled up her fist. Feisty. But yeah, whatever. It's time to head back home. Quarantine life, you know, not much to do. I might pull out Ava's little pool today and let her get some fun in the sun since we're stuck in the house all the time. But I don't know yet. We'll see. Amazon package just came. It's this water bottle that I ordered. Ooh. And I was pregnant with Ava. Ricky would go and buy a case of water, and he would get like the liter size water bottles, right? And I would drink those every day, and it was easier because it's like, oh, okay, I only need to drink like 2 or 3 of these, and that's enough of like the amount of water that I need to drink, versus saying I have to have this many cups of water, right? So now with us staying at my in-laws' house, they have one of those refrigerators where it has like the ice and the water right there on the fridge. So I just think that it's a lot more cost efficient to just have like a tumbler or something like that you could just refill it, and boom, you don't have to worry about buying all those cases of water. So let's see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks just like the pictures. Let's see. I got the white one. This is what it looks like. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, it's stainless steel, it's insulated, it has like a little plastic top. It actually comes with some other little fun things in here. So let's see, you get 2 metal straws. It also comes with some plastic straws, 2 of those also. I probably won't use them, to be honest, because I'm trying to get away from using so much like plastic product. I probably won't use these. Let's get rid of those. But the other thing that I really like that this one came with are these to clean your straws. So this, I love that they, you know, sell it with this and you don't have to buy it separately. I really like that. I'm happy with my purchase. And yeah, if you guys want to go get one, I will leave the link down below in the description box so that you can order yours. How much did this thing cost? It was I think this was $19.99, I think. Oh, something else I ordered recently were these pillowcases. I ordered these pillowcases because again, we just moved into our in-laws and we're staying in Ricky's childhood room. So it was just like a few things that I wanted to get to kind of make it feel a little more comfortable. For example, a headboard. You can see there's no headboard. Comfort wise, I'm about to have a baby in 3 months. I am gonna be having like late nights where I have to, you know, stay up and nurse and things like that. So I want to be able to sit up in the bed comfortably and put my head back without banging it on the window sill or the hard wall. So the headboard is on its way from Amazon, and then so everything is kind of just gonna be like whites and cream colors. So I ordered these little pillowcases, and it's a pillowcase, right? It zips up, and what was in it were these little pillows that we already had, because before all of our stuff was like this gray, everything was gray. So I just ordered these little pillowcases and they fit perfectly on these pillows. Zip them up and bada bing bada boom. I don't remember how much these were either, but they come in other colors. And if you like these, I will also leave a link down below in the description box so you can go on Amazon and check them out. So we just finished watching a really good movie. I watched nonstop. It's super old, but I never saw it before. Ava's been asleep since before the movie even started, so it's time for her to wake up. Let's go in there around and see. She's still knocked out. Knocked out. Potty training, so first stop is gonna be to the bathroom. Hi, baby. Hi. Did you sleep good? Yes. You slept good? Yes. All right, let's go potty, okay? So, are you done? You lost? You lost?
No, I did not.
You lost?
For the record, I did not lose.
You just now lost.
I did not lose.
You lost.
Popey lost.
You lost.
I just came in third place.
You lost.
Popey lost.
You
I
lost.
came in third place.
You lost.
He
had to advance to Boardwalk, which I own, with 2 houses on it. As you can see, with 2 houses, that's $600.
He messed up.
And this was all the money
shouldn't have bought
that
no
he
house.
had left. so I just got in the car. Ava is eating some cereal for now, just to kind of give her like busy food or whatever. I needed to run to the grocery store and get like all of her snacks and, you know, her lunch stuff for this week. So I'm gonna go run, do that really quick. I got my gloves, I got my face mask, I got all of my little protective gear, hand sanitizer, Clorox wipes. So, you know, wish me luck. I really don't like going to the store. It makes me nervous, but I gotta go make my run. She has to eat. Later on, well, not later on, when we get back, we're gonna actually have some chicken and waffles today, so that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be breakfast, well, probably brunch, but I'm gonna go run to this store, get back quickly because I'm hungry. For now, I'm just gonna eat me a little banana and granola. You wanna come open it? Come. Look, right here. Come here, come here. Let me see. Open it. Alright guys, so I went to the grocery store. We just ate some chicken and waffles. I'm super stuffed. I think I'm about to take a nap because I'm so tired. You gonna take a nap? You so tired. Good night, kiss. What? I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Give me a kiss. Whoa. What is that noise you keep making?
Take a nap.
I am gonna take a nap. What is that noise?
Mommy, take a nap.
What is this? What's that?
Mommy, take a nap.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I am so tired after putting together that crib. I'm just ready to go lay down, so I will check you guys out in the next video.